you think of sound sample one? I was one just heard now.
It was a bit continuous, I thought, so it was kind of you were waiting for something to kind of happen, but not in a suspense.
So it's good for building suspense, but then not releasing at the end.
Yeah.
So it's good for a build-up, but not for like an ending. And what? Any other comments on that?
I felt it built up very fast, but it didn't really reach anything too much. That's my opinion.
Yeah.
It didn't sound very sinister.
So it was almost like too kind. Does that make sense?
It sounded like a space.
It was too calm. Or industrial. It wasn't like a warehouse.
Is that good or bad?
It depends on the setting. Okay. Like some woods, for example, would really suit them.
No? Okay. Is that okay? So we'll listen to sound sample 2, yeah?
Yeah.
That was sound sample 2. What did you guys think of that one?
It's a lot better.
Yeah.
I think the good thing about this,
towards the end, it sort of sounded as if they were discovering something. So after the sinister part, they had perhaps found something.
So it could be used to build up to something.
Yeah.
So
I thought there was a lot more kind of mystery and I don't know, even like horror behind it.
what kind of like setting did you think when you saw that?
Woods?
Yeah, scary.
Woods,
And something
Like going down a corridor and then turning the corner.
and then seeing like a reveal at the end?
Yeah.
Okay, and what kind of like what would you want to see behind that? Like some action scene, or would you like to see someone like following like
Someone walking.
Following,
leading up something?
Yeah.
It's got to be lit up to something.
Alright, thanks, that's really good.
Thank you. Cheers.